Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the USB Bluetooth keyboard from the company BreSii, B-R-E-S-I-I. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, give you an idea of what it's for. So I can tell you, I bought this for my daughter who wants a keyboard to use with her iPad. It's compatible with several different devices, supposedly Apple, Android, or Microsoft. What's cool with it is it's USB or Bluetooth. It's 2.4 USB or Bluetooth. So it's kind of interesting. Opened up and it is blinking because it's on. So I'm gonna switch it to off. But I guess the fact that it's been on this whole time and was still running is a good sign. It must have pretty good battery life. So let's take a look at what we get. We've got a user manual in here. And nothing else in the box. And then the keyboard itself. I don't have nails. I was going to try and open that to show you what it looks like. There we go. So there's your dongle if you wanted to plug it in and use it. Runs on, looks like 2 AAA batteries. And it's kind of cool that the dongle can actually go on the inside. So that way if you're traveling or something like that, you don't have to worry about losing it. It's got some rubber feet on the bottom to keep it from sliding. It's got the tray up here that will hold your iPad or iPhone, tablet. Anyway, pretty cool. Weighs literally nothing. It's small. Let's hope my daughter likes it. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. Okay, so I wanted to show you, sometimes when you buy this technology stuff, you get worried about how easy is it going to be to use. It literally took 2 seconds. All I did is I turned it on, went on my iPad, went to Bluetooth, looked for devices, found it right away. I've got Notepad open. It works great. You can see that as I type, it's very responsive. There's really no kind of lag or anything like that. I didn't do anything with the dongle. The dongle is still in the machine. All I'm doing is using it with Bluetooth technology. It works surprisingly well. Pretty nice. Got my iPad sitting in it. Pretty convenient to use. Anyway, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.